Now we'll do this. We need to check whether the logical IP is working fine or not, right? So what we'll do is we'll go for PC. Okay, we'll give one IP to this IP 10.0.0.10 or else 255.255.255.0. Okay, right? So what will I do from the switch? Ping. What is my IP on the PC? 2, right? 2. Can I able to ping it? Successful, right? It means that my 10.1 is working fine. Okay, or else you can try like this: ping 10.0.0.2 source.
For MAC address.
Yeah, we'll check it. That will be done. Once we ping it, if it is not having the MAC, it will check for the ARP table. If it is not having the ARP table, I showed you already the ARP process. It will generate an ARP request for it, and it will be receiving an packet. This will all be going on in the backend. Now I'll show you. Show MAC address table. Ethernet 0 by 0. It is for VLAN 1. This is my MAC address of my PC. And how did it learn? Dynamically. Dynamically in the sense the switch has learned for itself. We manually have not given the MAC address. We didn't give any entry. It learned itself. So it is dynamic. This is important. It will be asked, what are the contents of MAC address table? What are the contents? One is VLAN, one is a MAC address, one is the type, how it learns, and the ports. On which port did it learn? These are the entries. All right. So we have seen this, right? Configuration. Now let's check. So this is some basic troubleshooting, right? So how do you check this? How interconnected access ports check for same VLAN? How do you check that? Very simple. Go for the show interface status. You will be listing all the interfaces, and you can be able to see this VLAN. You can see this VLAN, right? First, suppose think that Ethernet 0 by 0 and Ethernet 0 by 3 wants to communicate. My PC on Ethernet 0 by 0 want to communicate with my PC on Ethernet 0 by 3. If they are not able to communicate, first I will check whether these are in the same VLAN or not. Right? Even before checking this, I will check show IP interface brief. Okay, show IP interface brief. This will give me what is my status. What is the status of my interfaces? For my 0 by 0 and 0 by 3, I will check whether they are up or not. If they are up, then I will go for the show interfaces status. Then I will check what is the VLAN they are located. This is the process of checking, verifying the VLAN and verifying the status. Show IP interface brief will give you what is the IP address assigned, what is the status of your device, what status of your interface, and show interface status will give you whether it is connected or not, and to which VLAN, in which VLAN does that port exist. That's the thing. Okay, so yep, so we are done for this, and yeah. Yeah. So Cisco Discovery Protocol, right? Why do we use this? What is the purpose of why this protocol has come up? For time being, think that Messi, Messi got a job, network admin. Messi got a job, network admin in a very big company, or else Cisco, right? Cisco. He got placed in Cisco, and his role is network admin. First day, he was like me. First day, late. Late. Office was at 9 a.m. Office was at 9 a.m. He went at 10 a.m. Okay, Messi. Messi has big eyes, right? And he's the boss with small eyes, right? So he's the boss. So what happened? He was late. He was late. Boss was angry on him. First day you're late. He was angry. So he just want to give him some punishments. What did he tell Messi? These are my racks, right? And each rack having around 20 switches, 20 switches and routers, 20 device each. Okay, and they are intern connected. These racks are also intern connected. He, this fellow, he gave punishment. His task is find out, find out my physical topology. My physical topology, right? Find out my physical topology on these racks. Okay, he was confused.
That is his function.
Everything is there placed in the rack, right? You cannot get the physical topology by looking at them. First thing is, in order to, if you want to take it physically, if you want to check it physically, first of all, you need to go to each interface of the device, and you need to trace the cable, each cable to which device it is connecting. Okay, to which you need to trace a cable. I need to find out each and which cable to whom it is connected to which interface of the device. If he does this, whatever I told you now, if he does this, it will take him around 2 days to complete that task, to get the complete physical topology. Because every switch will be having 40 interfaces. How many cables will you keep on tracing? And cables will always never be individually. They will all be bundled. For example, these are my 5 cables. They will be bundled. You cannot unbundle them. How will you do? So actually, Messi is very smart, like you. Okay, so what he did is, so Messi is very smart. He just took access of every device, whatever device, every device, and he just typed command show CDP neighbors. What is this command? Show CDP neighbors. Okay. The output is what is the device to which interface it is connected. What is the device to which interface it is connected? What is the device to which interface it is connected? Just 5 minutes. 5 minutes. He took the map of the physical topology. Why am I still telling you the story is CDP. Actually, CDP, it is Cisco proprietary, which works only on Cisco devices. It is actually used. CDP is used. Okay, CDP is used in order to tell each other Cisco device that I am present here and you are connected to me on this interface. Every Cisco device will in turn communicate with CDP messages. They in turn communicate and they will come to know about each other. You don't need to tell them that you are he is a neighbor of you and he is a neighbor of you. It is an extra protocol, extra feature provided by Cisco. Dynamically, they will learn about their neighbors themselves. How do they do? They exchange some CDP messages. From there on they come to know which interface. For example, this is my switch 1, right? This is my switch 2, right? Switch 1 will come to know that on my interface 1 I am connected to switch 2, okay, and on switch 2 the whatever cable I am connected to port switch 1, it went and connected to port number 2 or switch 2. You are getting it? Yeah. Switch 2, on which interface am I connected to that device? Okay, on switch 2, what is the interface that is connected to me? This is the map. These details are provided by CD. Okay, it is very simple. In order to note down the network map, Cisco provided this protocol, that is CDP. Every device, Cisco device, will communicate with their proprietary messages, Cisco CDP messages, and they'll come to know about each other. This is all about CDP. That's it.